and welcome back to another vlog. So this vlog is going to be a slow English vlog and I'm going to take you round the park. So get your listening ears ready, sit back and relax. Turn off those subtitles to make it even more effective. So let me show you around the park. So at the moment I am walking along this gravel path. This is a gravel path. It has lots of little stones on it. This is gravel. And over here we can see the river. This is the river. It's quite a green, murky river, but if you look really closely you can see some fish. Now I'm going to go back to the path. In the distance over here there is a flea market. A flea market is where people sell items that they don't want anymore. We'll have a look at that later. We're just going to have a look around us and see, what we can name. That's a really good way to learn English, is to look around and name different things. It really helps you to improve your English. So over here there is a massive tree. Massive. Look how tall it is. It's crazy. Okay, so let's go back to our adventure. I'm walking on that gravel path again and let's see what's around the corner. Over here I have spotted some hurdles. Hurdles are things you jump over. You may have seen this if you watch the athletics on TV. Let's have a look and see how well I can do. On your marks, get set, go! It's much harder than it looks in a skirt. I'm not on this walk alone. I am with my sisters. Let me show you. Here they are. One is hiding. Next to this park there is a little road just there. I don't know if you can hear, but there are many cars, so it's a little bit noisy. Let's do a little activity together. So here you have to tell me 5 things that you can see. Ready? Go. Okay, so I can see a big tree, a big tree. I can also see fluffy clouds in the sky. Over there, I can see a house poking through the trees. Write in the comments what you saw. I think the best way to learn English is to talk to yourself out loud. Now, it's kind of embarrassing to do that, especially in public. So coming to a park like this or a place that's quiet is a really good tip. So when you are on your own, just look around. What can you see? Say them out loud and then try and use those words in a sentence. This is not only going to help your vocabulary, but it's going to help you become more fluent, and that results in you feeling more confident. So let's carry on with our walk. I have spotted something really fun in the distance. Let's go. These are monkey bars. You hang from the monkey bars. Can you swing on the monkey bars? Swing. Can you do a pull-up on the monkey bars? Actually, do you think I can do a pull-up on the monkey bars? Let's see. You'll have to find out. Over here we have this tree. Have a look at this. It's incredible. Can you see the tree trunk? The tree trunk has bent over, but it's still alive. I think it might be a willow tree. Someone has been very creative here in the park. Look what they've done to this tree. It's so cool. So this here is a mushroom, and someone has drawn or painted eyes and a smiley mouth. It's very cute. Let's see if there's any more. I'm going to put my feet up and have a rest on this stone bench. It's not very comfortable. It's a bit hard. This stone bench is a bit hard. I'm nearly halfway around the park now, and I've just seen something in front of me. Now, can you guess what they are? I'll give you 3 clues. So, first clue, they come in many colours. The second clue, you need a paddle to move these things. And the third clue, you sit in them. Now, any guesses? We have some canoes. Who got that right? Let me know in the comments down below. So we have a white one, a dark green one, 3 red ones, and a light green one. You look inside, it has been raining, so there's a puddle of water inside. So it's a puddle of water. And they are chained together. So this is a chain. They're chained together and attached to this tree. So no one can take them. Always make sure you look on the floor when you're walking along. You never know what you might discover, like this. This is an acorn. An acorn. It's a green acorn, and it fell from that tree over there. It fell. Now, I wouldn't want this acorn to fall and hit my head. That would be very painful. So let's carry on with our walk. Oh wow! Oh, what can I see here? It looks like a mini golf or a crazy golf course. That's so cool. No one is in this crazy golf course, so I can show you. Here we are. If we look over this fence, we can see this is hole 18, and you have to get the ball along here through these 2 obstacles here and all the way into that hole there. Are you any good at crazy golf? Have you ever got a hole-in-one? Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really enjoyed taking you along for my walk in the park. And remember, next time you are somewhere quiet and peaceful, just stop, have a look around. What things can you see? And try and put them into a sentence. Thank you so much for being here. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!